7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at DAO token currently trading for $1. In the last 1 month it has gone as high as $1.18 and as low as $0.54. DAO token currently has a market cap of $536 million. In this video we're looking at DAO token US dollar price chart. How high can it go during the bear market? When we will get to $10? Are we ever going to get to $10? We're looking at DAO versus the US dollar. We're also looking at COV's performance against Bitcoin, COV's performance against Ethereum, and then we look at the DAO token market valuation. How high can we go in the next bull run? How low can we go in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording of this video, in the last 1 year, DAO is down 43%. In the last 1 month, it's down 15.3%. But in the last 1 week, we've had a rally in the altcoin market. DAO is up 47%. Even in the last 1 day, it's up 1.6%. So should we be getting some DAO through the bear market? Let's look at some quick statistics about DAO. DAO was launched in August 2020, so we have more than 2 years worth of price history of DAO. DAO have been to the ending phase of the bear market. DAO was launched when the market was in easy mode, and when it was launched in August 2020, what happened? DAO actually dumped really hard. It found this bottom right here in November 2020. And if you got to invest in DAO right here, you got to roll it to the top. The top for DAO came in on the 4th of January 2022. It rose for a total of 1,800%. It got to an all-time high of $6.6. So how long will it take us to get to $10? Are we ever going to get to $10? I think we're going to get to $10, but guys, it will take a number of years. Right now we're deep in the bear market. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of DAO that came in right here on the 30th of August 2020, you can see that we didn't get to the full extension. DAO was supposed to get to around $22. I believe that DAO will get to $22 before the next bull run. But right now the reality of things is that we are in the bear market. So after DAO went up more than 1,800%, it has to dump because the general crypto market has been dumping. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every other altcoin have been dumping, DAO included. So it looks as if when the market is going up, everything goes up together, and when the market is dumping, everything is dumping together. How low can DAO go during this dump? From the all-time high at $6.6, $6.7, DAO lost more than 92% of its value in just 168 days. Can it go any lower? Only time will tell right now. Should be accumulating some more DAO through the bear market, because guys, if your altcoin is down 92 to 99% from the all-time high, there's a high chance the bottom is around that range. But you want to be careful with those altcoins, because guys, they can actually fake you out. You think the bottom is in, you'll be so confident the bottom is in, you go and buy these altcoins, and guess what? They'll lose another 60, maybe 70% of their value. In the last 1 month, and DAO is actually pumping. It went from 0.55 to above $1, which represented more than a 40% increase, and that's good to see. DAO is up more than 82% in the last 1 month. But can this really be sustained, or are we just getting faked out? We'll be looking at DAO's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum very, very soon. But guys, what's the worst case scenario for DAO during the bear market? Yes, we hope it will get to $10 at some point in time in the future. It probably will get to $10 at some point in time in the future. But what's the worst case scenario for DAO during the bear market? Because during the bear market, all coins can really go low. If you think the bottom is in, you are in for a rude awakening, because they can drop lower. Now, the all-time low for DAO is $0.3. From the all-time high, if DAO comes back to test its previous low, it will lose over 94% of its value. Is that peculiar to DAO? No, guys, because in the previous bear market, Ethereum, which was the second largest cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency market and the largest altcoin we have, lost more than 94% of its value during the bear market. So if you see DAO losing only 94% of its value throughout the bear market, that's actually a good performance from DAO. I probably see us setting a new all-time low. I don't know where the low will come in, but we'll look out for Bitcoin to actually show us the way, because when Bitcoin finds its bottom, that's when a lot of these altcoins will start finding its bottom. And why is that happening? So because when the market's in the downward trend, people only care about Bitcoin, or majority of the people entering the market only care about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a gateway for more people to get into cryptos. After they get into Bitcoin, you'll now discover DAO, Ethereum, XRP, and other altcoins. And let's look at how DAO is performing against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. In the last 1 month, guys, CoffDAO is actually outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been dumping harder than a lot of these altcoins, which is not good to see. You don't want to see that in the market because, guys, if Bitcoin is not healthy, it means the general market is not healthy. And CoffDAO is up more than 91% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month, which is good to see. If you are holding some CoffDAO, that's the kind of results you want to see. But guys, you want to be careful. You want to make sure you're not getting faked out, because right now a lot of people will now start flipping their Bitcoin for some CoffDAO, thinking that, you know what, in the last 1 month, if CoffDAO is outperforming Bitcoin, what is stopping it from continuing outperforming Bitcoin during the bear market? Yes, that's very, very tempting to see. CoffDAO has hit a critical resistance on its Bitcoin pairing. You can see that this level is the level that price has interacted with the most on the CoffDAO Bitcoin price chart. So are we going to bounce off that level, or are we going to get rejected off that level? If we get rejected off that level, guys, we're going to gobbling town. You see CoffDAO losing more value against Bitcoin and probably set a new all-time low. From the all-time high for CoffDAO against Bitcoin, CoffDAO is down more than 81%. Right now it has pumped, so it's only down 67% from the all-time high. But if you see it setting a new all-time low, that means it has lost more than 90% of its value against Bitcoin. Is that possible? That is very, very possible. Guys, remember, during the bear market, crazy things are happening and crazy things are going to be possible. But that's the opportunity of a lifetime. That's the time you want to be getting all these projects on the cheap, because if you believe in the project and you believe in what they are doing, the price doesn't matter. It just means other people can see value, and if you can see value, that will be good for you. From the bottom of CoffDAO against Bitcoin, which came in December 2020, CoffDAO went up more than 771% against Bitcoin in barely a year. So CoffDAO gained more than 771%. If you had your money in CoffDAO instead of Bitcoin, you'd have been up more than 707%. But guys, with huge pumps comes huge dumps. So be careful with altcoins during the bear market, CoffDAO included. How is CoffDAO performing against Ethereum, the largest altcoin in the altcoin market? If you want to hold an altcoin, you want to make sure that it's outperforming the big dog in the yard, which is Ethereum. And CoffDAO has been losing value against Ethereum from September 2020. CoffDAO is down real bad against Ethereum. Even when we had the crazy bull run of 2021, CoffDAO didn't really have any crazy run against Ethereum. It is down more than 93% from the high it set in September 2020 against Ethereum. And at the all-time lows, it was down more than 95%. Can it set a new all-time low against Ethereum? Guys, it will depend on how the bear market will go. If you can see CoffDAO probably losing the same value that Ethereum will lose right now because it's down in the trenches, you don't want to see a situation where Ethereum that is dumping really hard will actually start outperforming CoffDAO. If that happens, guys, it's gobbling town for CoffDAO. I remember I showed you on the dollar price chart, I showed you that CoffDAO, my worst case scenario, we see us setting a new all-time low, and right now the all-time low for CoffDAO is at $0.34. And for us to set a new all-time low, we have to see CoffDAO and drop more than 60%. As a matter of fact, once CoffDAO drops more than 65% from where we are right now, we're setting a new all-time low, and that's very, very possible, guys. Let's look at the CoffDAO market cap chart. CoffDAO's market cap rose to as high as $3 billion at the top of the bull run, January 2022, and CoffDAO had a market cap of $3 billion from having a market cap of less than $1 million in August 2020. That was a crazy rise, more than a 10,000% increase. But guys, after that increase, CoffDAO has been dumping, and right now CoffDAO is at a critical level on its market cap valuation chart. It has to hold this $534 million level. If it doesn't hold, we might go to gobbling town. There's no huge support for CoffDAO at any point in time till the market cap gets to around that $163 million. And that $160 million, we'll hope it holds. If not, we might go very low to as low as $120 million. Is that possible? And from the top of CoffDAO, if it gets to $120 million, you see CoffDAO losing more than 95% of its value. And that's in par with what we just looked at on the price chart, saying that if it comes to as low as 0.3, that will be meaning CoffDAO will be down more than 95% from the all-time high. But guys, another critical factor you have to watch out for in this CoffDAO situation is that we have only 60% of the maximum supply in circulation. So at some point in time, more CoffDAO tokens are going to be coming to circulation, which will make the market cap to be increasing, but we might not see corresponding increase in price. So you want to be careful out there, because if more tokens are coming to circulation, it means we will have more supply, and so we actually have to have more demand. If not, we're going to have increase in price. Only time will tell. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At what price will you be getting some more CoffDAO? Do you think the bottom is in for CoffDAO? How long do you think it will take CoffDAO to get to $10? Will you be holding? Will you be selling? Or will you be buying more CoffDAO through the bear market? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7